Hi guys, I get my Toy toy.
That's so awesome, Kaylon. What about this? What can you tell me?
My right ear says hi. Gotta do this.
I am Buzz Lightyear. I come in
Peace.
Buzz Lightyear.
Here.
Wow. Alright, let's send him out. Let's see what else you have in your surprises.
This Funko Pop.
Ooh.
This Funko Pop. Yes, yeah.
Wow.
This Funko Pop. Yes, yeah.
What about him?
He turned around head.
Super awesome.
He has bites.
Oh, spikes.
I have the puzzle.
Puzzle.
Big puzzle.
What color?
Yeah.
Red. Awesome. Like Raphael.
Yeah.
Oh, it won't. Let's see. Yeah, we got it. Alright. What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
It looks broken.
It was broken.
We'll fix it. There you go. Wow.
What is this?
A claw.
There is a camper. There is a camper.
Catcher.
Catcher. Cat toys.
Look at the guy you hate.
Now what are you saying?
Little bastard.
I see Raphael Funko Pop.
Say that's all. Come back next time.
Come back next time. Bye.